course, you mentioned that you want to grow. So, what are your growth prospects and expansion plans? So, still in BGC or outside BGC na?
We're looking at both, Ralph. So, in BGC, meron pa rin kaming land bank in BGC. So we're still looking to break ground by end of the year or early next year. At the same time, of course, yung logistics, no, especially with etong pandemic, the rise of yung mga Shopee, Lazada, ganon. So we're looking at yung logistics market, and we've been looking at land acquisition outside of BGC as well.
So, outside of BGC, how far or how near BGC or in Metro Manila ba yan, Sir Francis? Can you tell us now?
Siguro I would say in the radius of mga siguro 50 kilometers.
North or south? Sir Francis, ayaw magkwento.
So it's both north and south. Syempre, we need to be able to give options to yung mga potential clients natin. If they want to locate north or south or both, then we have that facility to be able to provide them.
Of course, kailangan ninyo ng funding for that. So where is it gonna come from? Are you gonna borrow, or how are you gonna fund that?
So Ralph, so yung mga ganon, we have multiple options. Of course, yung organic natin way of funding. Of course, yung mga banks, those are the options, no, that are available.
So, of course, how much? That's the next question that I'm gonna ask. How big, gaano ba kalaki yung kailangan ninyo for that expansion? Just for me to have that idea on, okay, W Group is expanding, but how wide or gaano kalawak yung expansion na yan?
In terms of expansion, Ralph, so as I mentioned earlier, we're looking. We've purchased a few properties, and we're also looking for more opportunities now moving forward. So depending on how it goes, we're looking at hopefully doubling yung area namin by siguro in 5 years now.
Doubling the area in 5 years. Now that's like that sounds like a something that needs funding, massive funding, maybe from the public. Do I hear a REIT IPO, Mr. Rui?
Well, that's always in the pipeline. I mean, all companies na may recurring income will always look at REIT as an option. No? So that's also one of the options that we're looking at.
An option because why do you think why are you considering that as an option? Do you think that the market is good right now, given all the recent REIT IPOs? What are your observations on those that have opted for the REIT IPOs so far?
Well, maganda yung I think the reception is good, but at the same time, it gives the investing public more option to be able to participate on yung real estate growth of yung mga BPOs, and I think yung underlying asset niya is the land and of course the tenants that you have there. So I think it's good for overall for the investing public.
Okay, so you're looking at it, you're not confirming, but kailan ba? When will we hear more concrete plans of your expansion plans and the funding for it? Maybe by the end of this year.
We will definitely. I will call you, Ralph, if that time happens.